So we thought, why not make a positive impact with this blog? So we have made a blog site for kids. As you can see with the colors of this website, this is attractive to kids, and they're here they can read the positive news, and they can also listen to the news here. So I will take you to the details of this project. As you can see in the homepage, we have latest 10 articles and video recommendation of the day. So you can go to the all news and you will see all the blogs there. These are all positive blogs that every kid can read. And if I click on any blog, you can see I can go to this blog, and we have a play news feature. If you click on play, it will start reading all the news here, and you can also pause the news. You can also stop the news. This feature is currently compatible only with Chrome browsers. We are trying to make it compatible with other browsers too. So let's see how we can publish an article here. As I go on the publish button, you can see we have to enter an email and password. You can also register as a publisher here, but in the backend we have a control to allow the publisher to publish the articles or not. For now we have allowed only this email to publish the articles. If judges request, we will provide the password of this email if we get any request from the judges. Let's log in here and see how we can publish the articles. As you can see, we will require four things: title, image, content, and reference of the article. For now I am taking an already published articles on another website. So let's copy the title of this blog here. Okay, so you don't need to upload the image. You can just add the link of the image of the article. Let's copy the content of the article, and let's copy the reference. Reference is email from where the article is taken. It's not compulsory to add, but I am taking articles from somewhere, so I am adding it. As you can see, blog has been added, and if I click on it, we also have play news feature, pause news, stop news feature, and we can also adjust the speed of the narration. And as you can see, article has been added. You can also navigate from here. I can go to the old post or new post from here. And one more thing that I would like to show is you can also delete the articles. So if you want to delete the articles, just copy the link of the title, and you can go to publish feature, and you can just paste the title here and click on delete. The article will be deleted, as you can see here. So technology that we use to build this website is MongoDB, Express, and we have, instead of React, we have used a template called EJS and Node.js. So I will take you to the MongoDB database. As you can see, we have our registered admin weekly times here. It has object of every post, and every object has title, image, and date. Date is added automatically when we add the articles, and content and post reference. So as you can see, there are also other admins, but we have only allowed weekly times. There can be multiple admins, but for now we have only one email that can publish the articles. And I've shown you the delete feature also, and also you, if you go to the publish page, you can also log out from here, and you can see when I go back here, it's already logged out. For this security feature for login and registering, we have used passport.js for encrypting the password. Also, you can see the password of the every username is completely hashed. So even if they see our MongoDB database, our ID is difficult to hack, and it's not hackable at all. So that's our project. I hope you liked it. You can also view this website by going on our GitHub. We have added the link there, and you can use the website and do try it out. And if you need password of this admin email, we would be happy to provide if you have a request for that. Okay, thank you so much.